Hello, this is a tutorial on 7.1D1. We're going to find percents of a number when that percent has a fraction attached. So in this example, we have 45.5% of 86. Well, you recall we've used this heart before to kind of break things apart, and that's what we're going to do. We can really say that this is 45% plus 1/2%. If we make those both into decimals, make that into 0.45, and then 1 divided by 2, that's what 1/2 is, that's going to give me the decimal of 0.5. And we just bring those together, 0.455. What you can see here is, first of all, you can see the 45%. And then you can also see the extra 0.5%, that 5 there. So make that into decimal, so we're just going to multiply 0.455 times 86. So let's do it. 0.455 times 86 equals 39.13. We're rounding to the nearest whole number here, so we put the door in, we look behind. Is there enough there to call it 40? No, there's not. It's a 1. Remember, the rule is, I'll write it out this way, 5 or higher, we move it up, 4 or below, we just leave it. It's the worst looking spelling of leave I've ever seen. All right, so now we have 45 and 15/100ths of a percent of 186. So let's just think about this. Break this down into, right up here, 45% plus, in this part of the heart, it will be 15/100ths. So 45, that's just 0.45 again. And 15/100ths, well, you can take 15 divided by 100 on your calculator. It's going to tell you 0.15. And then you just push those together to drop the second decimal, 0.4515. So 0.4515 times 186. 0.45, there's your 45%. Here's the extra 15/100ths times 186 equals 83.979. We're rounding to the nearest 10, so let's put the door in at the 10th. And we're just looking at behind that door, is there enough there to bump that up to a 10? Yes, there is, but in that becoming a 10, what really happens is we make a trade and this becomes 84, because we can't have 83.10. It becomes 84. Okay, let's try this one here. 45.55/60ths of a percent. Let's move this over so we got enough room to draw the little heart there. So here's the 45%. Here's the 55/60ths of a percent. And so the 45 is 0.45. We're just moving that decimal. And this one, 55/60ths. 55 divided by 60 gives me 0.916, repeating. 0.916, repeating. So we'll round this to the nearest 100, and we'll just call that 0.92. So let's make this 0.4592. So this is going to be 0.4592 times 186. 0.4592 times 186 equals 85.4112. We're on to the nearest hundredths, so put the door in behind the hundredths, look behind it. Is there enough there to call that 85.42? No. 85.41 is our answer. So, up here, if you had left this as 0.91666, and you round it to something else, your answer might be slightly different by a penny or two. But in this case, I think rounding to the nearest hundredth is just good. All right, thanks.